Greetings, everyone. This will be a pretty quick video. I just wanted to show off kind of my progress. I think I'm gonna start trying to work on this project every weekend, so yeah, should be making some somewhat consistent progress. Anyways, let's go ahead and just restart here. Let me get out of that. Now, I think there might be a bug in my monitor. So I'll just reload to make sure that that's not the case. Then again, it might be fine. Anyway, so here it is, restarted. Basically, I just got the parser working. So like, here we go. If I hit enter, it'll take all the spaces out because it's parsing each word and then just printing it again. So yeah, and the leading spaces work too. Trailing spaces, I think, work as well. Yep. So there is a problem with the screen every once in a while. I think it's a loose capacitor up here that I have. It's not making good contact, but yeah. That's really it. Like I said, quick video. Just to show that word and parse and parse name are good to go and working. So I hope to get the find fourth word working soon, and then we'll actually have something that kind of resembles fourth. So yeah, look forward to it. Until next time.